welcome back. This is the second part of our three-part tutorial on setting up your MLA style annotated bibliography. In this segment, you'll notice I have two windows open on my computer. In the left-hand window, I have the Microsoft Word document that we started in the first part, and in the right-hand window, I have the Purdue Online Writing Lab. This is an excellent online source to use for MLA information, and I highly recommend that you become familiar with the information that's available there. For this project, you also have access to your textbook. Appendix C of your textbook has a great deal of MLA style information, which you're going to find interesting and useful. I'm going to start by finding the reference for the video that we watched in class, the Transformation Age video. So I'm going to work over here in my right-hand window, and you'll notice at the top I can open a new tab. So I'm going to click the tab entry to open a new internet window. And in this new internet window, I'm going to go to the college homepage and navigate to the library by clicking on Current Students and then Library. And since I want to find a video, I'm going to click on Video in the Library menu. The video that we used is from a service called Films on Demand, so I'm going to click on Films on Demand, and it launches the Films on Demand. And I hope you've all set up your own accounts within Films on Demand by now. If not, please do that as soon as possible. And you'll see I have a search box, and it is set to search by segments, but I want to search by titles. So I'm going to pull that menu down and select Search by Titles. And I want to find the video, Transformation Age. So I type it in and hit Enter. And it brings up the first link there, the Transformation Age, Surviving a Technology Revolution with Robert X. Cringely. That's the video we watched. So I'm going to click the title of the video, and it will bring up a window in which I could watch the video again, and you'll see that list of segments that you chose from to use for your assignment. And I scroll down the screen, and at the bottom of the screen there's a link for citations. So I'm going to click the citations link, and it's going to launch in a little separate pop-up window here a citation for the film we used in MLA style. I simply highlight the citation, and you'll notice I do not highlight the URL that they give. That's no longer required in MLA format. I'm going to copy that text, and I'm going to use the keyboard command of Control-C to copy the text. I can then close that window, close the Films on Demand window, and you'll see my Microsoft Word window is still here. I'm going to paste in using the keyboard command Control-V the MLA style citation. In the Paste Options menu that shows up, I want to pull that down and select the middle option to merge the formatting. And what that does is it keeps some features of the text I copied from the original source and merges it with my document style. There's one other formatting piece I need to take care of before I move beyond that, and that is to set the indentation for my citations to what's called a hanging indent style. So I'm going to highlight the citation I just loaded, go to my paragraph menu, use that extended paragraph menu again, that dialog box, and under the indentation section, you'll see it says Special, and right now it's set as None. I want to set it for a hanging indent, and I say OK, and voila, I have an MLA style citation, which is the first piece of information you need for your annotated bibliography. I'm now going to hit Enter, and I'm going to type in this space the annotation. So type, and I need to turn off, make sure I'm in plain text, and currently I've got italics set, so plain text. In this space, you will write your annotation of 3 to 5 sentences summarizing the information in the video. You will indent the annotation to 1 inch. And I'll come back to this in part 3 of the tutorial, so hold on with me for a minute.